all you Watch My Vid 123 fans, and welcome to another Watch My Vids 123 video. Today, we're going to take you skydiving off a bunk bed.
Really?
Yeah.
1,
2, 3.
Alrighty, my turn.
Woo! That was fun.
And my turn. And let's get it.
Woo! That was fun. I bet you liked that.
You did? Really?
That was totally awesome.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Post your comments on how you like that.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
But what we really want you to post your comments about is
Did you just take the video of my butt?
Well, I wasn't trying to take a video of your butt.
Okay, well, whatever.
What we really want to talk to you about is, which do you like better? Polar bears or panda bears?
No, I was supposed to say, okay, say polar bears.
Polar bears.
And panda bears!
Okay,
See,
now.
it's not much better than polar bears and panda bears. See?
Okay, whatever. I'm a polar bear fan.
Look at my, oh no, I'm not wearing my panda shirt anymore. I forgot, I'm wearing a ninja shirt now. Look at that. Look at that ninja. Oh my gosh! Oh, I almost got my head chopped off. See, it's a ninja. It says Mad Ninja Skills. I have them.
She almost got her head chopped off by that fan. That's not good.
Look at that fan. Look at that. You see that thing?
Now, we want you to post a comment or a video response telling us which one you like
No,
better.
video response because I hate comments.
Comments, because I hate video responses.
No!
No.
Push you off.
No, I'm going to push you off.
Off where?
Off the bed, dummy.
Let me push you off the bed. The ladder's right there.
So, I'm
there's that big gaping hole right there.
Yeah,
He's so
big gaping hole. So anyways, so you don't have to see us fist fighting, I think we're gonna stop the video now. So yeah, leave a comment or a video response showing us which one you like better, pandas or polar bears. Yeah, yeah, yeah.